Welcome to feelastro.com's exclusive channel related to Vedic astrology. In this video, let's analyze the characters of Rohini Nakshatra or birth star and its love and marriage compatibility with other stars. Please like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. For astrological free reports, please visit our site feelastro.com. For astrological services, please click on the links in the description below. To watch the compatibility with a particular star, please click on the timeline link in the description. Rohini is the fourth star among the 27 stars in Vedic astrology. Rohini stays in Taurus. Ruling lord is Moon and the ruling deity is Brahma. The star gender is female and Gana is Manav. According to Puranas or epics, all the 27 nakshatras are considered as the wives of Chandradev, that is, the moon. Among them, Rohini is described as the most beautiful one with an attractive character. So Rohini is the most favorite wife of the moon. Rohini stays in Taurus where the moon is in its exalted state. Hence Rohini is considered to be a special nakshatra with exceptional features. Women born in Rohini Nakshatra will be beautiful and will have attractive eyes. Since Brahma is the ruling deity, Rohini represents wealth, growth and prosperity. They will take good care of their health, so they will be blessed with longevity. Since the moon is the ruling lord, they will be endowed with creativity. They will be noticed for their courteous and gentle talks and honesty. Now, let's analyze the love and marriage compatibility of Rohini Nakshatra with other stars. Rohini Ashwini. Ashwini will be able to be a good partner for Rohini. Rohini will find in Ashwini the love partner they have always fantasized about. Ashwini will be attracted to the emotional qualities and personality of Rohini. Rohini should not be possessive in this relationship. Rohini Bharani. Rohini and Bharani will have a good rapport in matters related to love. Therefore, both of them will be happy and will feel complete in this relationship. They will not feel bored in any aspect of their relationship. They should not cross limits in areas like love, intimacy and wealth. Rohini Kritika. Rohini may find Kritika to be attractive. They may also feel curiosity towards Kritika. However, the initial attraction will not stay for long. Rohini may not appreciate the dominance shown by Kritika in matters related to love. Due to this, there is a chance of decreased trust in the relationship. Rohini. Since both the partners belong to the same birth star, they will be able to find compatibility in many areas. Yet there are chances for jealousy, suspicion and competitive mentality in the relationship. If they maintain a realistic attitude, then they will be able to move forward in this relationship. Rohini Mrigashira. Rohini will be able to find the best partner in Mrigashira. Mrigashira will be a good friend as well as a nice love partner for Rohini. They will be able to maintain love and lust with intensity in this relationship. Rohini Ardra. The ruling lord of Rohini is the moon and Ardra is Rahu. Moon and Rahu are enemies. This enmity may cause problems in the relationship between Rohini and Ardra. However, there will be mutual attraction and love in this relationship. Ardra will have a practical approach towards Rohini's likes and fantasies regarding love. Rohini Punarvasu. Rohini will be attracted to Punarvasu's wisdom and knowledge. Rohini will enjoy the advice and suggestions given by Punarvasu regarding matters related to love. If Rohini can change Punarvasu's indifference and confusion in emotional matters and intimacy, then they will be happy in the relationship. Both Rohini and Punarvasu need freedom in their relationship. yet they should try to maintain love and concern in their relationship. Rohini, Pushya. Pushya will be able to understand and fulfill the dreams and desires regarding matters of love. Pushya's love and concern will make Rohini feel secure in this relationship. Generally, they will be able to maintain a good relationship. Rohini, Aslesha. Rohini and Aslesha will find it difficult to maintain the initial attraction and emotional bond in their relationship. Rohini may show excessive possessiveness towards Aslesha. This may cause problems to Aslesha because they are secretive and enjoys freedom in a relationship. So Aslesha may try to avoid Rohini. Rohini, Magha. Rohini and Magha will have to face a lot of challenges in their relationship. Rohini expects closeness and love in a relationship. However, Magha may not be able to satisfy Rohini in these areas. Rohini may complain that Magha gives more importance to lust than love in a relationship. Rohini, Purva Falguni. Purva Falguni will be able to create a world of love as desired by Rohini. Therefore, Rohini will be emotionally and physically bonded to Purva Falguni. This may stay as a happy relationship. However, to completely bond emotionally, Rohini will have to guide Purva Falguni. Rohini, Uttara Falguni. There will be love and unity in the relationship between Rohini and Uttara Falguni. Uttara Falguni will give all the support required by Rohini in matters regarding love. Uttara Falguni is skillful in instilling secure feelings in a relationship. Rohini shouldn't try to make Uttara Falguni jealous because Uttara Falguni may find it unbearable. This may seriously affect their relationship. Rohini, Hasta. Hasta usually has a simple attitude towards life and challenges. This simplicity will attract Rohini towards Hasta. Both of them will be able to understand each other, which will help to maintain a happy relationship. Sometimes they may decrease their communication with each other and may get entangled in their thoughts. However, they will share a happy bond. Rohini, Chitra. Rohini will like the confidence and vigor exhibited by Chitra. Rohini will also most of the time enjoy the dominance shown by Chitra in the relationship. But the possessive nature of Rohini will cause issues for Chitra. So Chitra may try to avoid Rohini or may try to run away from the relationship. Rohini, Swati. Rohini and Swati will have confusion regarding spiritual aspects of life. The ruling lords of both the birth stars, that is Moon and Rahu, are incompatible. This incompatibility may cause a lack of mutual trust in the relationship. If both of them are willing to understand each other's requirements, then they will be able to maintain a healthy relationship. Rohini, Vishakha. If Rohini doesn't keep much expectation from the relationship, then Vishakha can become a good life partner for Rohini. In certain areas of life, Vishakha will want things in their way. However, Vishakha will give all the love and care that is expected in a relationship. But Rohini may feel disgusted or incomplete in the relationship. Rohini, Anuradha. Rohini will enjoy friendliness, love and physical intimacy in their relationship with Anuradha than any other star. Their relationship will be a complete one in all aspects. Rohini will give a happy love life to Anuradha. Anuradha usually will become wealthy during their lifetime and will be able to provide a life according to Rohini's desires. Rohini, Jyeshta. The mystical nature of Jyeshta may attract Rohini towards them. Jyeshta may not be able to provide extravagance and comforts of life to Rohini to the full extent, but they will give freedom to each other and maintain trust in the relationship. Rohini, Moola. Rohini may expect and assert that Moola should give importance to matters regarding love in the same way as Rohini. But Moola doesn't give much seriousness to such matters. Moreover, the dissimilarity in their spiritual thoughts will also cause issues in their relationship. Rohini may feel being ignored by Moola in the relationship. Rohini, Purvashadha. Purvashadha expects a lot of freedom in their love relationship. If Rohini can let Purvashadha free in the relationship, then Purvashadha will cater to the needs of Rohini regarding love and concern. Too much dependency on the relationship by Rohini may render Purvashadha restless, and they may prefer loneliness over companionship. Rohini, Uttarashadha. The relationship between Rohini and Uttarashadha may encounter certain difficulties. Instead of being supportive partners, they may develop competition and jealousy between them. Though there may be a special attraction between them, they may not be able to realize this completely. Uttarashadha may show a lazy attitude or boredom in this relationship. If they are willing to understand and support each other, this relationship will move at a healthy pace. Rohini, Shravana. There will be no visible issues in the relationship between Rohini and Shravana. Shravana will refrain from opening up about their requirements and problems to Rohini and will try to live in their own world. If both of them are willing to open talks and proper communication, then they will be able to move forward in this relationship. Rohini, Dhanishta. Rohini and Dhanishta will relish the relationship during the initial period. Dhanishta will enjoy love, lust, and extravagance in their relationship. But if Rohini shows a similar attitude in the relationship, then Dhanishta will not encourage it. This may cause confusions for Rohini in their relationship with Dhanishta. Rohini, Shadhabisha. Rohini will never be attracted to Shadhabisha at the first sight. Hence, Rohini will abstain from open talks and refrain from trusting Shadhabisha. However, their relationship will grow in the positive direction later. Rohini will soon realize the openness shown by Shadhabisha regarding matters of love, and they will form a nice bond with each other. Rohini, Purvabhadrapada. Personality of Purvabhadrapada is dream come true for Rohini. So this will be a happy relationship. At times, Purvabhadrapada may show a detachment from worldly matters. They may want things in their own way in certain areas of life. If Rohini can give this freedom, then this relationship will move forward. Rohini, Uttarabhadrapada. The relationship between Rohini and Uttarabhadrapada will be a good one. Rohini will enjoy the love and concern shown by Uttarabhadrapada. Though Uttarabhadrapada likes emotional and physical intimacy in a relationship, they usually do not open up about this to their partner. But Rohini will be able to understand this better than any other partner. Yet, they may not be willing to open talks at times. If Uttarabhadrapada is ready to open up, then this relationship will be a success. Rohini, Revati. Revati may not like the love and extravagance portrayed by Rohini in the relationship. Revati usually maintains a moralistic approach both in their social and personal life. Rohini may not like this perfectionist attitude in a relationship. Therefore, this relationship will encounter many challenges. Thank you for watching this video. We will be back soon with another video.